Hey, my name's Evelyn, and I'm an intern here at the Aerospace Corporation under the Small Satellites Design Team. So come on and join me today for a day in my life as an intern here at the Aerospace Corporation. I start my morning at my desk working with SolidWorks to design a satellite transport case and other prototypes. Then I'll head to the lab for some hands-on work, installing solar cells on different prototypes. I then head over to a huddle space for an Aerospace Academy session where I serve as a tech lead and work with fellow interns to assist students in learning about Arduinos and ground communication systems. Normally, I'll head to lunch at the cafeteria, but today's a little different, and it's super cool because we have a lunchtime intern mixer. Today, we are doing a competitive activity called the Shark Tank activity. After lunch, I head back to my office where I get to print some of the 3D models of my latest casing design. My next meeting is an intern collaborative foresighting exercise, scheduled in our offices in D8 across the street, so I'll head out a little early for that. In this meeting, we discuss our professional development career goals and learn more about industry as well as the career paths within our industry. Finally, I finish off my day by presenting my work to my manager and prepping for tomorrow's schedule. Being an aerospace intern is awesome. I get to learn so many cool things every single day and from amazing people at that. I look forward to spending the rest of my summer here and for many more years to come. Till next time.